Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through a quick and easy way to unmute a group on WhatsApp web using a handy keyboard shortcut. Whether you've muted a group by mistake or simply want to re-enable notifications, this guide will help you get it done in just a few seconds. Let's dive right in. First, open WhatsApp web on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and have access to your chats. If you're not already logged in, scan the QR code displayed on the screen using your phone's WhatsApp app to sync your account. Once you're in, locate the group you want to unmute. You can either scroll through your chat list on the left-hand side or use the search bar at the top to find it quickly. Click on the group to open the conversation. Now comes the easiest part. With the group chat open, press the following keys on your keyboard simultaneously: Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus M. This shortcut is specifically designed for muting and unmuting groups on WhatsApp web. When you press these keys, the group's notification settings will toggle back to active, and you'll start receiving alerts for new messages in that group. And that's it. You've successfully unmuted your group using just a few simple steps and a powerful keyboard shortcut. This method is not only fast, but also eliminates the need to navigate through menus manually. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to share it with friends or colleagues who might benefit from it. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your WhatsApp experience. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.